Your buyers are not using Google anymore. They are asking ChatGPT. And when they ask ChatGPT who is the best in your industry, ChatGPT doesn't come up with answers. It pulls from the sources it trusts, and the biggest one is Reddit. So the question is not should we be on Reddit, it is when ChatGPT goes and looking for an answer, is your name in the Reddit threads it reads. I run a Reddit marketing agency that does exactly this for 70 plus B2B companies. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you the entire playbook, the account setup, the comment strategy, the exact format that gets cited, and 3 mistakes that gets brands banned. Why Reddit and why now? Here is why you need to be on Reddit right now. Reason number one, Google and Reddit sign a partnership together. So Google can use Reddit data to train their own LLMs on Reddit threads, comments, and communities. Reason number two, ChatGPT, Quote, Gemini, and Perplexity are trained on Reddit. So when ChatGPT is finding answers for who is the best, who can I trust, it goes to Reddit and reads all the information there. Reason number three, your buyers are doing research before they buy. And with AI, it doesn't take weeks to do it. So they go to ChatGPT, describe their pain, ask for a solution or a tool, and buy from there. And if you're not inside those AI answers, you don't exist to that buyer. Reddit is not a distribution channel anymore. It's a recommendation engine. You're not there to drive clicks, you are there to recommend your company on ChatGPT and Google. And why most B2B brands fail on Reddit. Before I share the playbook, let's talk about why the last person at your company who tried this got the account banned in 6 days. Mistake number one, they show up as brand. Corporate account, company logo, and first post is, hey, your industry, we just launched. This is downvote magnet. And in most subreddits, it's an instant removal. Reddit is the only one platform where the brand account is a liability. Mistake number two, they optimize for clicks, so they drop the link. Every time, a link dropping is the single fastest way to get flagged by moderators, by the spam filter, and by users. And it doesn't generate any results or any citations for ChatGPT. Mistake number three, they wrote like marketers, and they get this result. Great question. There are several excellent solutions in this space. Reddit users can smell that instantly. So can the moderators, and so can the ChatGPT. So the fix for all three is the same, and it's uncomfortable for the most marketing teams. You have to be real and useful in communities, including about products that are not yours. Let me show you how. And here's the playbook. Step number one, find the questions, not the subreddits. Everyone starts by picking subreddits. It's a wrong move. Start with the threads that already rank, because those are the threads that models are already reading. And go to Google and run them. Best your category, your competitor name pieces, anyone using your category. And here is example from Google. Every thread that comes back on page 1 is a piece of a real estate. Some of them are 3 years old, which makes them more valuable long term. Build a simple spreadsheet, thread URL, subreddit, date, does your competitor get mentioned, does anyone get mentioned, and that spreadsheet is your entire content calendar. Keep it simple and keep it useful. Step number two, build accounts that allow to speak. Reddit has immune system. A brand new account with zero karma commenting about software in a niche subreddit gets after fact before buyers see it. So before you say anything, you need accounts with age, weeks, not days. Karma, both post and comment karma, and specifically karma in your subreddits. A real history, comments about things that have nothing to do with your product. And the accounts should be real people on your team with opinions. Engineer, founder, support list. Step number three, comment 10 times before you post. Ratio I give every client 10 to 1. 10 helpful comments where you mention nothing of your own product for every comment where your product comes up. This isn't just for moderators. It is because comment history is a context. When someone clicks your username and sees 8 months of you answering questions about your industry, your recommendation counts. When they see 3 comments and 3 mentions the same tool, you are done. Step number 4, format that gets cited. This is the most important 90 seconds of this video. Here is how you need to comment. Step number 1, give 3 to 5 options and include your competitors. Name your competitors, yes, really. A comment that names 4 tools is a recommendation. And here is the thing people miss. The model isn't looking for a winner. It is looking for a comparison it can summarize. If you want to be in the summary, you have to be in a list. Number 2, edit every recommendation to a specific situation. Under 10 people, CRM number 1. Under 50 people, CRM number 2. Under 200 people, CRM number 3. LLM is not looking for the best answer for everything. It is looking for the best company for specific avatar and specific situation. Number 3, say something negative, including about yourself. Say the way it is, even if it is about your company. Support is slow, maybe delivery sometimes missed. Step number 4, no link on a mention. Name the product, that's it. Step number 5, join, don't just create. Here is an old thread with a recent comment on it. Most people only think about new posts, but the threads that rank are old, and old threads still accept comments. A useful comment comment on a 2-year-old thread that sits at position 3 in Google is worth more than any brand new post nobody checks. Go back to your spreadsheet from step 1 and work on the Reddit post that rank on Google. And when you create the post, make the title your keyword. Step number 6. Track mentions, not impressions. Here is where most teams give up because they check Google Analytics, see 40 sessions from Reddit and kill the campaign. Reddit traffic is not the point. Reddit influence is. Build a list of 20 to 30 prompts your buyers would search. Best category for industry, alternative to competitor thesis, and run them across ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity, and check what they say about you. Track analytics, track citations, track social proof. Here are our results. Grasshopper Heating and Cooling had 0 ChatGPT mentions before us. Now they are the top recommended company in all 3 markets they operate in. VUC was invisible 3 months ago. Now it is the first name ChatGPT gives for B2B ads software. And I will be honest with you, it's not a quick, rich schema. If you want to get recommended by ChatGPT, it takes time. Realistic timeline is around 3 to 6 months. Not days, not weeks. If you need our help with Reddit, click the link below.